And new this morning, we're learning more about a pair of lawsuits connected to the tragedy at Tops. Daybreak's Heather Lee joins us live this morning in Buffalo with more on these lawsuits and what they mean for the families. Good morning, Heather.
Hi there, Pete and Melissa. Good morning. New overnight, we got our very first look at this new lawsuit, 144 pages, filed just hours ago in Erie County Supreme Court. The Social Media Victims Law Center and attorney John Elmore filed this wrongful death lawsuit on behalf of three of the victims' families. Those are the families of Hayward Patterson, Andre McNeil, and Catherine Massey, as well as survivor Letitia Rogers, who was working at Tops that day. She was actually the person that called 911 during that massacre. Now, among those named in this lawsuit are Facebook's parent company Meta, Snap, Google, YouTube, Reddit, Amazon, a gun store near the shooter's home, and also his parents. Attorneys say Peyton Gendron was, quote, motivated to commit his heinous crime by racist, anti-Semitic, and white supremacist propaganda fed to him by social media companies. Attorney John Elmore said that while Gendron has pleaded guilty, the social media platforms that, quote, radicalized him and the companies that armed him must still be held accountable for their actions. Now, this latest lawsuit comes just one day after New York State's Attorney General filed another lawsuit. That one was against a Georgia-based gun accessory manufacturer. That suit alleges that the company Mean Arms used deceptive and false advertising for the sale of their $20 MA lock here in New York State.
My team of attorneys has had Mean Arms in our crosshairs.
The theory here is that that's deceptive in the sense that you could simply remove this little lock that they put on it and it would have an illegal magazine at that time. So they're really helping individuals who would like to break the law by selling something that's easily convertible to a thing that violates the law.
Now, according to the Attorney General's lawsuit, the top shooter purchased the gun with one of those MA locks already installed, but he was able to easily remove it, which allowed him to use multiple 30-round magazines during that shooting last May. We should also note that Mean LLC is named in both the Attorney General's lawsuit and also that lawsuit filed in Erie County Supreme Court, again, just hours ago. Two on Your Side has reached out to the AG's office as well as Mean Arms for comment. We were told that they were unavailable for an interview. Keep in mind, you can read much more about both of these lawsuits. We have all of the information posted right now at WGRZ.com. Reporting live in downtown Buffalo this morning, Heather Lee, Channel 2 News Daybreak.